Good morning, dear. Hope you are all fine. Our lesson is about algebraic expressions, exercise 1 and 2, so please put your homeworks in front of you and follow with me. Exercise 1, page 96. Numbers and letters. Calculate the value of u, v, and w for a equal 11. I have to evaluate this expression. U equal 5 into a plus 9. First, I have to replace a by 11 as given. So it will be 5 into 11 plus 9. According to PEMDAS rules, priority goes to solve what's inside the parentheses first. So 11 plus 9 is 20. We should write equal 5 times 20, which is 100. So the value of u is 100. V equal 9a into 6a plus 5. Here means it's 9 times a times 6a plus 5. Okay, what should we do? I have to start by replacing a by 11. So it's 9 times 11 into 6 times 11 plus 5. According to PEMDAS rules, here inside parentheses we have multiplication and addition. So priority goes to multiplication. 9 times 11 is 99, and what's inside parentheses is 6 times 11, which is 66, and I have to add 5 to it. Now, which has more priority, multiplication or parentheses? Of course, parentheses. So, we have to write 99 times. What's the answer of 66 plus 5? It's 71. So 99 times 71 is 7029. This is the value of letter V. W equal 255 minus 5 times A into 7 times A plus 33. Again, start by replacing A by 11, and then according to priority rules, here we have subtraction and multiplication. So priority goes to multiplication. So it's 255 minus, what's the product of 5 by 11? It's 55. Again, 7 times 11 is 77, and we write next to it plus 33. Let's solve each parenthesis alone and then find the final product. 255 minus 55 is 200. 77 plus 33 is 110. To multiply 200 by 110, the answer is 22,000. You can check up your result by your calculator. This is the answer of W. Now, calculate the values of T, E, and R for, here we have two unknowns, M equal 5 and N equal 9. T equal 7M plus 10N plus Mn. It's M times N. Okay, let's replace M by 5 and N by 9. Keep in your mind that 7M means 7 times M. So it's 7 times 5 plus 10 times 9, N equals to 9, plus M times N is 5 times 9. According to priority rules, multiplication has more priority than addition, so I have to solve multiplication first. 7 times 5 is 35, plus 10 times 9 is 90, 5 times 9 is 45. Now it's so simple, 35 plus 90 plus 45 is 170. This is the value of T. E equal 8N minus 4M minus 6MN. We have to start by replacing M by 5 and N by 9. So it's 8 times 9 minus 4 times 5 minus 6 into 5 times 9. Subtraction and multiplication, so of course priority goes to multiplication. 8 times 9 is 72, 4 times 5 is 20, and 6 times 5 is 30, 30 times 9 is 270. 3 times 9 is 27, and since we have 30 times 90, I add 0 to the answer. Now, 72 minus 20 is 52, and 52 minus 217 is minus 218. Now, R equal minus 10n plus 5mn minus 8n. Again, let's replace m by 5 and n by 9. So it's minus 10 times 9 plus 5 times 5 times 9 minus 8 times 9. When we have multiplication, the priority goes to multiplication, not for addition and not for subtraction. So minus 10 times 9 is minus 90. 5 times 5 is 25 times 9. 25 times 9 is 225 minus 8 times 9 is 72. Okay, so we drop down addition and subtraction and we replace, for example, 10 times 9 by its answer, which is 90, and so on for the rest of the statement. The final answer of R is 63. Okay, it's 225 minus 90 minus 72. Now number 2, numerical values of expression. Find the numerical values of the following expression. A is the sum of product of 9 by 3 and 2.13. It's the sum of the product of 9 by 3. Here I should start here. Product of 9 by 3. So it's 9 times 3. A is the sum of 9 times 3 and 2.13. So A is 9 times 3 plus 2.13. 9 times 3 is 27. And if we add 2.13 to 27, the total answer will be 29.13. This is the answer of A. B is the product of 4. Look, it's 4 multiplied by what? By the sum of 8.3 and 7.6. Again, B is the product of 4, so I have to start B equal 4 times, but times what? It's times the sum of 8.3 plus 7.6. So inside the parentheses, I have to write 8.3 plus 7.6. And the priority goes to solve what's inside parentheses. So B equal 4 times 15.9. It's the answer of adding 8.3 to 7.6. Now 4 times 15.9 is 63.6. C is the difference. Difference means subtraction or minus between 18 and the product of 5 by 3. So I have to write, we have a minus sign. It's 18 minus what? Minus the product. Product means multiplication of 5 by 3. So it's 18 minus 5 times 3. It's 18 minus 15, which is 3. This is the value of part C. D is the sum. So we have to write plus, and we have to decide what to write before and after the plus. Before it, we have to write the product of 7 by 9. So I have to start. It's 7 times 9. The sum means plus. Okay, it's the sum of 7 times 9 and what? And the difference between 12 and 4. Difference means subtraction. I have to find the answer of 12 minus 4 and put it after the addition sign that represents the sum. So 7 times 9 is 63 plus 12 minus 4 is 8. So 63 plus 8 equals to 70. Given x equal 3, y equal 0.25, I have to evaluate a equal 5x plus 12y minus 23. Evaluate means I have to replace x by 3 and y by 0.25. So it's 5 times 3 plus 12 times 0.25, the value of y, minus 23. Here we have multiplication, addition, multiplication, and subtraction. The priority goes to what? Of course, to multiplication. So 5 times 3 is 15, plus 12 times 0.25, its answer is 3, and here we have minus 23. So 15 plus 3 is 18, and 18 minus 23 is minus 5. Given x equal 2, y equal 5, and z equal 4, I have to evaluate m, which is x into 3y plus 4z. X is 2, so it's 2 times 3 times 5, which represents y, plus 4 times 4. Now here we have multiplication sign, so I have to start solving the multiplication. So it's 2 into 3 times 5, its answer is 15, and 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. Now we have multiplication and parentheses. Priority goes to solve what's inside parentheses. So 15 plus 16 is 31. M equal 2 times 31, which is 62. Given A equal 1, B equal 4, and C equal 6. Evaluate 4B plus A divide by 3C plus 4B. Okay? Again, as we did before, we have 4 times 4 plus 1 divide by 3 times 6 plus 4 times 4. Here we have 4 times 4 is 16. So I have to write 16 plus 1 divide by 3 times 6 is 18 and 4 times 4 is 16. Priority goes to solve what's inside parentheses. So 16 plus 1 is 17 and 18 plus 16 is 34. 17 divided by 34, I can simplify both of them by 17, so the answer will be 1 over 2 or 0.5. Now, given x equal 2, y equal 3, and z equal 6, evaluate this expression. Again, it's 3 times 6 plus, keep in your mind, 3z doesn't mean 36, it means 3 times 6 plus 2 times 3 plus 2 divided by 2. Now 3 times 6 is 18, 2 times 3 is 6. Here we have plus 2 all divided by 2. Now 18 plus 2, 20 plus 6, it's a 26. So 26 divided by 2 is 13. Please, you have to write the solution on your classwork copybook. Thank you for your attention.